combination of these natural anti-aging ingredients will make your skin look very supple, very young. Mixing these natural ingredients together will help you to achieve a younger skin in no time. All you have to do is to keep doing this consistently, applying this twice a day, morning and evening, and you will be able to achieve your desired younger looking supple skin in no time. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. So the ingredients used for this video are cornstarch. Cornstarch is very good for your skin. It makes you to achieve a youthful look. It helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to slow down the aging process. Sugar helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to get rid of dry, flaky skin and helps to achieve a healthy, beautiful and a more nourished skin. Sugar is also a good exfoliant that helps to get rid of dead cells. Coffee contains antioxidants that helps to slow down the aging process and reverse your age. Argan oil is very good for our hair and our skin. It helps us to look supple and also help us to achieve a younger look. Gently apply this mixture on your face, under your eyes, to get rid of all the wrinkles and to help you to achieve a more younger and supple look. Just make sure that you are consistent in your application, applying this in the morning and in the evening, and then you will be able to achieve the perfect result. You will definitely be amazed if you keep applying this consistently. Wash it out after a while and then apply a mild moisturizer to your face. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. God bless and bye bye.